All right, take two because I didn't plug in the mic the first time. Good morning, my friends. Last week in real estate was nuts. We still had a lot of new listings, with 48 new listings hitting our market last week, which is awesome, but same problem as last week too. Not a whole lot of stuff in the lower price brackets coming to market, but a few more things. 3 properties came back to the market, and now is when we have our fun. 9 conditional deals and 24 sold, so pretty normal numbers overall. Still around that 1/3 ratio of conditional deals to sales being made, but the total amount of sales is less than the new listings. This means properties are actually sitting on the market at least a little bit. This is super strange compared to what's been happening for the last several years, where the market has been getting faster and faster and faster, and that wasn't true this week. There was 1 price increase and 18 price decreases. 18. That is a record for this show, and I think my whole career. 18 price decreases, and it was everywhere. Kincardine, Tiverton, Port Elgin, where we've discussed multiple times, has seen the most price increases historically, especially in recent times. They had price decreases too, all over the place. There were also 6 canceled listings, just to wrap up the stats for the week. So, is the sky falling? Well, I still don't think so, but this is a very large change in the market in kind of a short period of time. Talking with other agents from our area, of course, but also Toronto and Kitchener, the trend seems to be prevalent that buyers are kind of just saying no to a lot of listings based on list price more than any other reason. Properties that have been holding offers have been struggling with a decent amount of showings, but sometimes nobody showing up on offer date. Now, obviously that's not true for every property. Some are still selling super fast and for way above list price, but there's been a lot that have been struggling. Now, honestly, every property will sell. Like I said, it comes down to price. The best advice for sellers remains the same. Take a serious look at the comparables in your local area, especially the much more recent ones, and set a reasonable price to start with. Starting too high is just going to scare off buyers, and the perception of you as a seller and your home will suffer. Even if you are reasonable to deal with in real life, and if your home is awesome, buyers don't see that if the price is too high. They're not willing to even try right now. So do the research with your agent and hire someone who is not just a yes person, and you should still do really well, honestly. Buyers, if you've been sitting on the sidelines for a while now, maybe it's time to get back in that saddle once again. It is a really interesting time right now. So, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you right here again next week when we see what the heck happens next time. Thank you very much.